An MAP is a popular open-source network scanning tool used for network discovery and security auditing. It is designed to help network administrators and security professionals assess the security of computer networks by scanning and identifying open ports, service, and vulnerabilities on target systems. Key features and functions of an MAP include 1. Port scanning, 2. Service detection, 3. Host discovery for operating system detection. Wireshark is a widely used open-source network protocol analyzer. It is a powerful tool for capturing, inspecting, and analyzing network traffic and packets in real time. It is commonly used by network administrators, security professionals, and developers to troubleshoot network issues, monitor network performance, and investigate security incidents. Key features and functions of Wireshark include 1. Packet capture, 2. Live packet analysis, 3. Filtering and searching for packet export, 5. Network monitoring. Metasploit is a widely used penetration testing and ethical hacking framework that helps security professionals and ethical hackers find, exploit, and manage vulnerabilities in computer systems, networks, and applications. Here are some key aspects of METASPLOIT:1. Exploitation 2. Post-exploitation payloads, 3. Vulnerability scanning, 4. Automation, 5. Reporting. Necto is an open-source web server scanner and testing tool that is used to identify and assess potential vulnerabilities in web servers and web applications. It is specifically designed to perform comprehensive security scans on web servers and their associated websites, providing valuable info. Here are some key features and uses of an IKTO:1. Web server and web application vulnerability scanning, 2. Common vulnerabilities and exposures, CV checks, 3. Date software detection, 4. HTTP server banner grabbing, 5. Detection of default files and directories. ZMAP is an open-source network scanner and packet analysis tool used for fast and efficient internet-wide scanning and probing of various services and protocols. Unlike traditional network scanners that might take a long time to scan large address ranges, ZMAP is specifically designed for high-speed scanning making it useful for researchers and security professionals interested in gaining insights into the global state of Internet exposed services. Here are some key characteristics and uses of ZMAP. 1. High-speed scanning to customizable probing. 3. Data analysis for network mapping. 5. Efficient resource usage.